hanging out with Rich Applebee. Actually, here's an interesting story. I met Rich Applebee, I think, way back in my WCNY days. Didn't we come out and do some piece on restorations or something like that?
Yeah, years ago.
Yeah, way back in like either late 90s, early 2000s. So,
Channel 24.
That's right. It was a good piece, too. I used to push them to do a lot of that kind of stuff because they wanted to do all the opera and stage stuff, and I didn't want to do that. He is one of the many volunteers at the Dirt Museum and Hall of Fame in Weedsport. First of all, you're here at Southern Tier Speedworld. How we say that? Fingerlakes Speedworld. How we doing?
We're doing great, Doug. Thanks.
What's going on at the booth? I see we got some cars for sale and some cool stuff like that.
Started getting some of the model cars with the local drivers and the past drivers is what we're collecting a little bit. And we got the Dirt Hall of Fame collection is what we're putting together right now.
And you're here on Sunday, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm airing this on Saturday night to remind you guys to come on out here. There's one I was thinking about getting one of. You got 4 different Bob McCready cars from different eras. They got the old Wheels 91 and Billy Decker. So for a lot of you guys that are at our age and remember the good old days, come on out and see that. Big open house coming up. When is that?
April 1st.
So it's not April Fool's Day. We're really going to do it.
Right. Absolutely, yep. Got a chicken barbecue going on at the same time.
Nice.
And then, like I say, we got the cars. We got probably 20 gift baskets of different things that we're going to raffle off. You
Nice.
buy a ticket and then stick it in the bag, and hopefully you could win this.
What time is all that happening?
Starts at noon, and we're going to go.
Good. I don't have to get up too early. I appreciate that.
Yeah, absolutely. We always think of you.
Thanks. If they start at 9 in the morning, I won't be there. So
Yeah, the chicken guy will be there early. He's going to start. Probably at 8 o'clock. He said, and get things going, and then. Like I say, we got raffles and a few other giveaways and stuff like that. The community's been really good to us,
Nice.
helping us out with different prizes and stuff like that. So.
How does it look today? I know we did something last year. Are we still able to rotate a few new cars in here and there?
Yes, we got a couple of new cars in and stuff right now, and what we're hoping, Tim Fuller's getting inducted to the Hall of Fame, and somebody's trying to put one of his cars together, the B&F machine car.
Oh, yeah.
And
Bob and Michelle Faust, yes.
Yeah, we're hoping to have that for the inductee night. So,
very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a big push for us, and we'll be glad to see it come in.
Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun. Great class this year. Roger Phelps is part of that class as well. And also a guy you wouldn't know, but a guy I know over with, Patrick Donnelly. He was one of the big names behind This Week on Dirt and did a lot of the stuff there. So I usually don't do those because all the press people are there, and I don't like to take away their stuff, but I think I'm going to have to make it there this year for that one. What else is happening on the 1st?
Well, we're going to have, of course, that.
We doing any drawings for the big drawings or no?
We're hoping to do a 50-50 drawings is what we always do, at the shows to help support ourselves. Have to pay for the insurances and other things that go on too. And then probably that we got a 55-gallon drum of VP racing fuel.
Very valuable.
Yes, and we're raffling that off, and hopefully we'll have a winner that day too.
Do you know which specific fuel it is?
You can have any drum.
Oh, it's not necessarily one that's there.
No. Okay, you get to pick if you want 93 octane or 112 octane.
Or DB98 or who knows, what is 109? I know 112 is another.
I think so, 110, 112.
Yes, yep. There's a lot of different ones, so it's any kind you want.
Anything that you want. So you don't have to be, you could be a sportsman or something, or, or a modified driver. And if you win this, it's like almost $780 worth of fuel.
Almost free fuel for the whole year, depending on how much you race.
No, probably not.
Well, if you're a once-a-week racer, it'd probably be pretty close.
Yes.
I would think, to all the fuel that you would need. So come on out. Nobody has to register or anything. Just come on out to the place.
No, come on out, and you just hopefully first in line you get chicken. We're going to have chicken until it's gone. Yep.
I love those. I could eat those every day. Well, and think about it from a health standpoint too. That's about the healthiest chicken you can eat, basically, at that point. So, and now we're going to get together before then or after then, do you think?
I hope we get together before then, but, we got a lot going on, too. We're trying to get everything ready for the museum. We got to make sure it's clean and stuff like that. Pumping up these old tires.
I know. Every time you walk in, there's probably 2 or 3 tires. You're going, oh, man, when did that go flat? I just pumped that one up the other day. So.
No, we're trying to get the people that bring cars in to put either tubes or good tires on them,
I see.
And that way it saves a lot of work for the guys that go around and do this.
So you have a compressor and everything right there.
We do. We had to buy one, and just to go around to pump up tires and
Okay.
stuff like that. We've had to buy jacks to get them so
Yeah.
get things lined up and stuff.
Still going to be at Weedsport Speedway on a lot of the Sunday races?
Yes, we'll be open every race there is. So
Also get there early?
get there early, come early to the races and go through the museum and see some of the stuff that we got, the new stuff. And,
Okay.
help us out.
Is there a charge in those situations?
Yes.
We ask for a donation?
Donation. There's like a $7 donation every year.
Okay.
For every person comes in.
Nice.
And if, like I say, that's why I say come to the open house. It's all free.
Yes.
You get to do, and you might win a few gifts or something while you're there.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Anything I'm missing, Rich?
No, I guess we get it all. We got shirts and we got hats and stuff like that, T-shirts. And if anybody's willing to help out and volunteer, come see us.
Order me a 4X sometimes. That way I
Okay.
have nice long sleeves, and
Yes.
I can at least swim in that. So
Exactly.
again, these people do good work, and if you want to volunteer or donate, what's the best way to get a hold of you guys?
Yeah, probably through the internet. We're on the Facebook too.
Okay.
Northeast Dirt Modified Museum and Stock Car Hall of Fame.
Very good. So, all right, and if you want, just get a hold of me, okay? And you're on Facebook yourself, aren't you?
Yes.
So you can also message Rich, and he'll give you some information. This is the kind of history, guys, we really need to hold on to this. So much is changing in the business so fast. It's so nice to remember the good old days. As Homer Simpson used to say, the past is always better when you remember it.
That's right.
Good to see you, Rich. Take care, man.
Thank you, Doug. Hey, yep, appreciate it.